In today's product review, it's one for the adventure riders. We're going to have a look at the AGV AX8 Dual Evo. It's the latest adventure touring helmet from legendary brand AGV. Now first, let me point out some of the features of the helmet. The shell is made from a carbon aromatic fiberglass, engineered in 3 sizes, with 5 density EPS structure developed in 4 sizes. The shell shape is designed to maximise aerodynamic performance and to minimise neck strain while riding. The chin guard base is designed to improve impact absorption. It's got an integrated ventilation system with 4 vents at the front, 2 here, 1 at the top, and also the mouthpiece, and it has 4 vents at the rear to draw the hot air out of the helmet. The interior is removable and washable. It has a wind protector just underneath the chin. The fixed part on the cheek pads are covered with a soft plastic material for easy cleaning. It comes with an anti-scratch, anti-fog visor, and you can also purchase a tinted visor. The visor mechanism comes with 3 steps, so you can open the visor in 3 different positions. The peak is designed to limit drag and cut through the air efficiently. It's available in sizes from XXX small to 3 times extra large. And you can purchase it at all good motorcycle dealers or just go to linkinc.com.au. Now I've been on a 2-day ride with it and done almost 1,000 kilometres in 2 days. It's a very light helmet, that's the one thing that you notice. And I think one thing that's really important, if you're in the saddle for probably 5 or 6 hours like we were, doing 500 Ks a day, you really want something on your head that's not going to weigh you down and knock you around, especially with wind. I love the look of this helmet. I think it looks fantastic. The peak system works very well. You get minimal drag on this helmet. That's a really good thing about it. And you can also use it as a road helmet. You can remove the peak quite easily. But then again, if you want to use it as a motocross helmet, all you got to do is remove the visor. It's just a matter of having a screwdriver, remove the visor, get a pair of goggles, put them in, and you can also remove the mouthpiece here as well and put a motocross mouthpiece in too. So all in all, I really enjoyed this helmet. Previously on my other adventure rides, I did find I had a motocross helmet. I got a lot of wind noise. The visor stops that wind noise, and this helmet is very comfortable as well. I wear glasses, so I put my glasses on and then have the visor. Again, another plus than wearing your goggles over your glasses. This is a much better way to go. I really enjoyed my time with this helmet. I thought it worked fabulously. I think it's one you should go to your motorcycle dealer and check it out. We're going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 5 thumbs up because I like the look of it, how light it is, and how well it performed.